everyone, and welcome to Miss Temple's apartment. Yay! Today we are going to be inspired by Hakusai's The Great Wave. I can't wait for you to see what we're going to do. What you need is school glue, a container that has a little hole in it like this. You're going to use black paint and the school glue in here and shake it really nicely so it becomes black glue. You need a pencil, white paper, and any kind of coloring material that you would like. Marker, crayon, colored pencil, or pastels. Whatever you would like. I'm going to get myself set up, and I can't wait for you to see what we're going to do. See you in a sec. Okay, so I am set up. I have my pencil. I have my glue mixture. I have my markers because that's what I've decided I want to use. And we're going to start. So the first thing we're going to draw is our wave. We're going to start with, almost fell over, with just a cutoff on the corner. And we're going to bring that in. We're going to be using the whole paper for this. We're going to start with a swirl shape. You see that swirl that I'm making? And it's going to go into a little circle. We want it to turn into like a little swirl, yeah. Okay. Now, on the inside of that, we're going to make another swirl that gets bigger as it goes out. So see that swirl there? It's like the number 9. Nope, it's backwards 9. It's like the letter P. Okay, we're going to pull that down all the way so it makes a little wave right here. Okay. Wow, doing a great job so far. Now, you want to make sure that you're drawing lightly. Unlike Miss Temple, I'm drawing kind of hard so that you guys can see. And now what I'm going to do is inside of here, I'm going to make another little swirl. Okay, we're doing a lot of swirls today. Okay, now, this part is going to be the outside, so we want to make sure that we are not drawing in this part. See what I'm doing here? Okay, so we're not drawing there yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to start on the inside here. And we're going to make another swirl that goes around and then up into here and then down. Okay, pretty simple. I'm going to do it again. And then I'm going to do it one more time. That goes off the page, comes back in, and goes up, 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 up in here. Okay, perfect. Now, I'm going to make it so that my land is up here. Okay? What I'm going to do now is I'm going to make these curvy waves that are in here. I'm going to make one of them have a few more waves up here. Maybe I'll make it so that it has double. Looks kind of nice. Okay, I'm actually going to make this so it goes a little bit lower. Oh yeah, that's much better. Look at that. Just changes the whole thing just a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to do 2 more. Maybe 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to make land up here, like maybe we'll make it so that it's got that. And I'm going to make 2 mountains. Okay. Now comes the sun. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make one really big, I'm a little shaky today, sorry guys. One really big rainbow shape. And coming from that rainbow, we're going to make stripes that go up and down. Now you can also cut off this right there. Okay, so now we have done our wave. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my glue mixture now, and I'm gonna go over all of my lines. I'm actually gonna fill this and this in. So I'm gonna speed this up so you can see. Make sure you have a placemat so that you don't get this all over your parents' table. Also, make sure that you are not touching the paper with your hand, because otherwise you'll smear the glue everywhere. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do another one. Now, if it's not perfect, that's okay. I kind of like how shaky I am and how it's giving it kind of a really nice texture, because the water is not, oop, got a little bit there, so might have to, has a little bit of texture. Kind of like it. Okay, I'm gonna go up here. Okay, so now that I'm done with my outline, I'm going to grab a blow dryer and dry it off. Okay, so it took about 10 minutes for me to dry this. I did it on hot and cold. You want to make sure that it's not super sticky. It's going to dry more as you color, but also we're going to try and make sure that we don't put our hand down, because if it smushes, then you get the glue everywhere. Okay, so I decided that I want to do both crayons and markers, because the crayons will resist the markers. So I'm gonna take my crayon box right here. I'm going to I'm gonna start with white and then go from there. So I'm gonna make right in here some white. I might do some white in here. I would not suggest erasing, because you might smudge the glue. So you don't want to do that right now. I'm just going to add a little bit more white other places. I'm going to actually do a little bit of white there and a little bit of white there. Notice how I'm very carefully coloring in, making sure to take my time. Okay, I'm gonna do some white in here. Remember, the harder you press, the more likely it is going to resist it. So let's see, I'm gonna do some white right here. Okay, I'm gonna do white right in the middle there. Okay. Now I'm gonna take some of this blue. I'm gonna go in this one. Maybe go in the one that I did the white with. So I'm focusing really only on the wave first, on the waves. I'm actually gonna make the background waves that are behind this initial wave a little bit more seafoamy green than they will be blue. Really nice color, that one. Okay, let's see this one. This one's indigo, so that's going to be a little bit more purple. I'm going to do a little bit of purple there. Let's do a little bit there. And I'm going to make this whole one purple. I'll make this whole one purple. And I would suggest even waiting longer for the glue to dry, but because I'm on a time crunch, you can wait longer than I can. Whoop. Okay, so now I'm gonna put some green colors in the background, maybe some right here, and I can mix them with some blue as well. So I'm going to take this color blue. Oh, look at that seafoamy color. I'm going to color this whole one with this color. Over here too. So it starts to kind of look like stained glass. I'm gonna do this color. Let's do that one here. Ooh, love that color. And it keeps you in the lines a little bit. You can make them darker. Do a little bit of this one, maybe some here. Ooh, what a nice color, periwinkle, I think, yep. You can leave some white if you want. Now remember, I'm gonna go in also with my my markers, and color over. I'm gonna do this one with some of this color. Actually go in here with this. Okay, I'm feeling pretty good about that. I'm gonna take this color and go here and mix it with this color. Ooh. Maybe even add, whoa, that's a beautiful color. Okay, now I'm gonna go in here with green for our mountains. And I'm gonna do some brown for our land. Okay, I'm gonna stop there and now start to add some of my color to it. So I'm gonna leave this one for the marker. Now, if you are going to use marker, I would suggest waiting at least an hour before using it with the glue, because the glue will make the marker no longer work. And as you can see, I'm getting it all over my markers. But if you use the crayons, it doesn't really matter how long you wait. Okay. I'm gonna do this one on this side. Now this is called a mixed media work because we're using multiple different kinds of media or mediums to make one artwork. Okay, I'm gonna go in with, I'm gonna put the green on top of, ooh. So see how it's starting, it's resisting it. Oops. I'm actually just going to use this color right in here. And you can do as many swirls as you would like with as many different colors. I just like using the blues because it is a wave picture. And it's the ocean, so the ocean is blue. Okay, I'm gonna do, oops, I missed a spot here. Oops, wrong color. That's okay, it kind of looks nice. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this color, blue, just here around. Ooh, this is looking super nice. I'm liking what's happening. I kind of love the outline that you get from going around the glue. So again, I would really suggest waiting about an hour before coloring after you've done the glue, because it could ruin your markers and we really don't want that to happen. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this color, purple. I forgot a little spot. I keep forgetting spots. Look at this. Okay, I'm gonna do this one, this really nice purple color. This one's called Royal Purple. Okay, I've got one more swirl, and I think I'm gonna go with a blue color. This one's called Cornflower, and it's a really light blue color. Ooh, so nice. Okay, I'm gonna leave that one white and I'm gonna go in with this color right here. So you notice how it like pops behind that. And then I'm gonna go to my sun. So I am actually gonna make this a bright yellow and fade it into an orange color. And then using that same yellow color, I'm gonna go in here and making it so it looks like the sky is painted yellow. And I'm actually not going to use markers back here. Got a little glue in that one. Okay, I'm going to fix this cornflower up here because I didn't do the whole thing. This is kind of a messy project, but I kind of love how it looks. I'm going to go in now on top of the marker, and I'm going to color in some of those white spaces that I've missed with the marker. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, same thing for the blue. I'm gonna go over some of those white spaces that I missed. Really nice colors. Oop, that spot was still wet. Okay. Really love that color that's happening there. Okay, same thing here, just gonna go over some of those spots that I missed, making it look just a little bit neater. Ooh, really coming together here. Not that I didn't think it was going to, but. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of purple to this background one right here. Maybe I'll make this one purple too. Whoop. With a little bit of extra glue added in. Now I'm gonna add some of this yellow in there, so it looks like it's behind there. And I'm actually gonna add some pink in here. Really kind of digging this. So that is how you become inspired by Hakusai's Great Wave. If you have any questions, you can email me, or you can just email me your work at htemple@schools.nyc.gov. I can't wait to see what you have. You can also dojo them to me, or you can even Instagram them to me at Miss Temple's Apartment. Can't wait to see what you made. Hope you had a good time.